when you don't install the parts on the milling machine correctly, and if you don't want to correct it manually, is there any easier way to do this? Today, I introduce you to this multifunctional probe. Okay, let's go back to the main topic. As you can see, the parts are installed on the machine at a huge angle. If we use the traditional method, we can only adjust it manually and slowly. But once you have this probe, everything will become easy. You just need to install it and run the program we have prepared in advance. And then, let's take a sip of coffee and wait for it to adjust automatically. If you also find this feature useful, please subscribe to us. In the next video, I'll show you more features of it.